I'm Brian Johnson, and this is Better Cocktails at Home. We've been away for quite a while, and if you're kind of new to us or haven't really seen us in action publishing videos on a regular, we're all about making cocktails at home and making them better. So we like to show all of our viewers kind of techniques. We show them really simple cocktails. They have a lot of flavor, really interesting flavor combinations. Techniques, we do modern cocktails, we do historical cocktails, we do tiki cocktails, we do things about how to build your home bar, how to plan your bar, how to stock a bar. We kind of do everything here. So we're super excited to be back and making videos on a regular, and really appreciate all the people who have watched us over the years and all the people that are hopefully going to start watching us. So thank you for being with us, and thank you for watching Better Cocktails at Home.